Yes.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Today, it has been a while since we made a fan mail unboxing, so I thought it was high time that we make another one. As you can see here, we have quite the assortment of fan mail. And also on top of that, we have this huge package from Merch Sweden. Thank you, my boy Fredde. That's very cool. I thought we'd get started by opening this package. It's good to see that the person who sent this is using Razer. That way we know he's a racist. The stamps are from 2018. Look at my knife as well. Look, this is a real manly knife. Let's open this bad boy. Hello, Mr. Anomaly, the fat autist Lagerstedt. This box is sent to you by two autistic Swedish brothers, Viggo and Nils. Viggo was the one with the idea to send you some super retarded shit in a box. P.S. Not the Unabomber. That's good to know. If you look inside here, you can see that it's only a bunch of shit. Thank you, Viggo and Nils. I really enjoy that you took the time to send this to me, and I appreciate it a lot. And I'm going to use this every day of my life. Thank you. Next package we have here, Papa, to Ludwig Lagerstedt from Elias. Ooh, Pokemon. And a little note. My name is Elias and I decided to send you these Pokemon cards since I don't use them. Been watching your videos since 2017. Damn, Elias. Time for you to get some bitches. Mom, I'm gonna go out with a male friend. Be careful. Boys nowadays only think about one thing. Sex? No. Lemonke. That is not false. Oh lord. These are real cards. Some of these are actually very cool. I'll be cherishing this every single I'm kidding, Elias. These are actually nice cards. I'll save these. Unlike Nils and Viggo. Fuck your package. Next up here, Papa. This is from Emil to Ludwig Banana Lagerstedt. There we go. Ah! What the fuck is this? Hello, Anomaly and Papa. How come? He wrote my name funny. Anomaly. Absolutely not obese, man, and loyal yeller.
Yes.
Yes. I've sent you these funny cards from Mallorca and some Japanese children's food for you. What the hell? Hope you like it. Emil from Sweden. Now let's see here. Oh, what the hell? What the fuck? So this is the Japanese children's food. What kind of Japanese kid eats baked beans and rice? What do you want for dinner? Pokemon bakery. Thank you. I'm not gonna eat this because this is definitely poison. Let's see. What the hell is inside here? Oh my god. So the first card we have a really broken Metal Energy. Then we have the first edition card, which he said was me, Grimer. And then he also gave me a second edition of that same card.
Nice.
Fat man. Wow, really? I can't believe it, Emil. This one's actually pretty cool. This is ultra... We got some really recognizable cards in here, Papa. We got cards such as Duck. Okay, apparently Mewtwo is called Ultra Dream. Here we have Sable Eye. And then we have a Bulbasaur. Fucking Psyduck. And it's called also Sable Eye. What? What are they doing in Mallorca? And here's what Hike's mom does. Swallow. Next package we have here from Matthew. What a nerd name. From Cincinnati. These are like prison shackles. Oh, this is Inception. In the package we have another package. Unabomber moment. Hello, Matt. Hello, Anomaly. We are Matt and Dallin. Dallin? Do you mean Dylan? Fuck kind of name Dallin. From Cincinnati. Yes, the place they killed the gorilla. Oh, they did?
Oh, God.
I'm gonna throw this whole package away. You killed Harambe. Keep being fat and gay. So here's the flag. Let's see. That's a shit flag. Thank you for the flag, bro. I'll add that to my flag collection.
Yes.
And the stickers. Yes, let's see. There we go. Next up, Papa, we have a pretty big package. Right here. Now this package, Papa, is very big. I wonder who it's from. Papa, this is a package I got from Merch Sweden. Now this package, Papa, as I said, is from Merch Sweden. Fredrik, the guy who owns it, he actually contacted me. Well, actually, it started with me on my stream. I was asking around, where do you buy cool shoes in Sweden? I've never seen. And then people suggested him. I roasted the shit out of him because I said, oh, this is a shit website. And then he made a funny TikTok of him crying. And then he said, well, maybe I send you a box of stuff, an assortment of our inventory. Because he knew that I have a hard time finding shoes because my feet so fucking big. Because I roasted him, there's like a 40% chance there's just a tank mine in this one. Let's take a look inside, Papa. Oi, oi, oi. What the hell? Break-in university. Oh no, now my videos are gonna get demonetized again for break-in. This one, kinda buzzing, Papa.
Yes.
I'll put it on, 1 second. Hey, hey, Papa. There we go. This actually fits me. Surprising. Look at me, Papa. I'm a model. Oi! Holy shit, I recognize this box, Papa. Size 14, Papa.
Yeah.
My size. This is ultra rare. Let's see. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oi!
Oh, paper.
Oi! These are fucking ultra nice. I think these are the ones that change color if you wear them, I think. I'm not sure though, it might not be them, but this is hella cool, Papa.
Yes. There's something else.
Yeah, a shoe.
Oh, there too.
Oh, we got 2?
Yeah.
Yes! Papa, this is like Christmas.
Yeah.
Let's see what's this.
That's the bomb.
Yeah.
Oh.
Fuck, don't put that in the video. Oi! Fuck off! These are hella expensive! What the fuck? Dark mocha.
I think he made him himself.
You can see it says Fredrik's träslöjd. Oh, and we got 2!
Again. Is it your size too?
Yeah! Holy shit, Papa, these, you don't know really, but these are very cool. Papa, there's 2 more. Men vad fan händer? Is this Jordan 1? Are you ready?
Yo.
Yo.
Yo, mama.
Oh, what the fuck? Holy shit! Are these like Zoom Comfort things? Yeah, Zoom Air Comfort Stadium Green. What the fuck?
Could use it as a green screen, so big they are.
So big they
So
are.
big they are.
Yeah, look. My hand is like floating in nothing.
Yes.
Holy shit.
That's the anthrax kicking in.
Do we get 2 here as well? No. Oh, jackpot! These were definitely the most out there. These are so cool.
But they are in here. No, they are cool. Oh,
Don't put that in the video.
maybe don't put that in the freezer.
Let's see, the last one, Papa. Holy shit. Merch Sweden, man.
Yeah.
It's crazy. That is me performing slop top. Is this Jordan Low, I think? Number 14, size. I'm not gonna sneak peek. Are you ready? Okay.
Oh, paper again.
Paper. Oi!
It's shoe.
It's shoe. This is Jordan Low, the, what's it called? The black ones? Black. Oh, well, that wasn't very hard to figure out.
No.
These are super cool, Papa. You see, it's the same as these, but they're not high. It's like me and Arctic, and we're both brown and black. This package is crazy.
It is.
Thank you. This is virtual hug.
Yeah. I don't touch it.
Virtual kissing.
No.
And virtual penis. This shit's buzzing. Link in the description.
Oh, yeah.
Now, let's go back to the shit packages. So let's see here. Next package is from... Nej men för helvete! When is Germany gonna realize they're probably spending thousands in their tax money sending this shit to me for free? I'm not starting a embassy here on Malta. Okay, let's see. Embassy starter kit. So apparently everything was free and then the shipping was €5. They lost the war 80 years ago, so now they're trying to do it via paper. Just take over Europe. This looks very PewDiePie, by the way. Do you see?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Grundgesetz für die Bundesrepublik Deutschland. Wer braucht denn soweit sie nicht nach Albsar?
Was dem Artikel 3 Abs 2 entgängigt Recht bläst bis so seine Anpassung an diese Bestimmung der Grundgesetz.
Please stop sending this to me. I don't need these. Why? Next up here, we have these 2 packages. This one is from Belgium. Oh god. 10 flags. Is this Denmark? Oh, Czech Republic.
Yeah.
Check that out. Finland. What flag is this? Scotland. Greece. Oh, Malakas. One more package to Ludwig Lagerstedt from the Spring Bloom in Singapore. What the hell? Hello guys, I'm watching Anomaly since I was 14. I see you don't have any weeb shit in your room, so I sent you some... This is not shit you drew, bro. You just Googled, right? Did you draw this? That's cool, Papa.
Yeah.
Some nice art from Singapore. Okay, we'll open one last package, Papa. We have one here from Amazon. These are always a treat. Lawn and patio, okay? Let's see. This is cool. This, Papa, mini flag of the UK. We need to give one of these to Sam.
Yeah.
Fish and chips, Brexit,
EU. No, wait.
bad teeth, no spices or salt or pepper. The best food we have was imported from other countries. Thank you guys for watching, Papa. We got some nice flags. We love us some nice flags. And we also got those sick shoes. Thank you once again, Merch Sweden. God save the Queen. Penis.